Okay, so this next song is called 16, and it's basically about how throughout my whole life I've always thought of the age of 16 as like when you turn 16 you're automatically cool and you have everything that you kind of want to have at that age. And I'm turning 16 this year, which is incredibly wild to say, but I feel like I'm so behind, and I know that I'm not the only one who feels this way, but I feel like I am. This is an original, by the way. Sorry. I could do a lot for you. I still won't be the best in the whole room, and I am a lot of things, but I'm not cool and I'm not hot. I'm screwed 'cause this time there is a clock. Now I'm 16 this year, and this is all still so unclear. Clothes I buy don't fit the bill, and the bad lighting makes me look ill. I thought I had a couple years till I was in the clear, but my peers are getting off with my other peers off this bus that I am still on. And I don't know when's the next stop. Entendres etched into your life from the wise beneath these you're looking for, and turns out they're not looking for you. I could be moving out of the ways, but enough of them won't be in my face, at least not anytime soon. I'm 16 this month, and I'm running out of luck, which is funny since I've been sprinting on this treadmill since New Year's, and I don't give a damn because I've heard that speeds up plans, but it turns out I'm not giving any of them the way I should be. I am not the way I should be. I'm 16 today, and it still won't go my way. My occasional time to shine is overshadowed by a light, blinding irises, but it's not the high prices that attracts them like I thought it would. They all prefer vintage goods, but that's not where I shop. And this isn't unlike, this is clever hard work. You know that I started my studies late, a big university's grade 8 to grade age. I convinced myself of all the tricks of the trade would be beneath my belt, but at doubled age I asked for help. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Got a bit emotional there. Okay, so this next one, thank you so much for that, of course, that was really lovely.